Hello and welcome back to Art with Mrs. Hudson. Today we are going to create a folding card that's going to look like a present, and then on the inside we will do something unique with each class. So to make our card, we're going to start out by folding the top of our card, our paper, down to the bottom. So remember, our paper is tall when we are doing this. So once we fold it and line up our corners, we're going to press in the middle and press your way out. Once your card is folded in half, we're then going to take the top piece that's folded down and we're going to bend it and fold it up to the top. So now our paper looks like an accordion. So now what we're going to do is we're going to flip the paper over. We're going to make it a full accordion by adding the bottom piece, folding it up, pressing in the middle, and pressing out. We're then going to fold that piece back down. So that piece is actually going to stay straight, but the crease is what we're going to use. So now flip your paper back over. So the top should come up, almost like, think of a mouth. Open, close, open, close. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a present. So the first step is going to be drawing our square, our rectangle, or our circle present. It can be any shape you want. I am going to start out with the letter L because I'm going to make a rectangular present. Then I'm going to draw up. Actually, if you start up at the top is going to be easier because drawing up over the crease is really difficult. We're gonna bring our lines over and connect. Next, we're going to draw a loop on the top for the center of our bow. And then we are going to draw a bow coming out and down. Now you can get creative and unique with your bows. You could draw them however you want, and then you can add a little bit of lines on the inside, the creases in our bow. We also want to draw a center line, which is the ribbon going over the present. So 2 lines coming down. Now we want to have our ribbon that comes out the sides. We're going to make a little loop that comes down on the other side also. We're going to go up, come back down at an angle, and then let's just start up here and make our ribbon. So now on the inside, you can write messages, you can do different designs. Each class is going to do something a little different. So once we're finished with writing our inside, then we're going to add color to the whole card. Thank you for joining me.